Nvidia shares getting a pop today after unveiling a new AI chip, the H200. It's an upgrade from the H100, more memory bandwidth to handle intensive generative AI work. The chips are going to be released in the second quarter of 2024. Shares ending the day in the green, marking a 9-day win streak. Stacy Rasgon of Bernstein joins us now to discuss. Stacy, Nvidia is back at those levels where it was in September, or kind of close to it, getting up toward the 490s. But how much competition are they about to get from AMD, from Intel, from maybe Microsoft? We're expecting chips to be a part of Ignite out this year. Do investors need to consider that when they think about buying at these levels?
I mean, look, you talked before the break about seeing who's pulling ahead of the pack. Like, Nvidia kind of is the pack. Like, let's be honest here. Like, everybody else is trying to catch up to them, and this is one reason I think we're seeing these new product introductions. Nvidia is actually accelerating their progression. They used to go every couple of years, 2 or 3 years, they'd have a new architecture out. They're moving to an annual cadence. They've got revisions to the current architectures. You talked about the H200, which will launch, like I said, Q2 of next year. They'll have Blackwell, which is the next generation architecture, launches in the second half of next year. They're continually moving the goalposts, and everybody else is trying to catch up. And even if they catch up to where Nvidia was, which I don't know that they are, Nvidia is still moving ahead. I think it's really tough.
That's kind of what I mean, Stacy, is Nvidia ahead of the pack, priced into Nvidia, especially now at, what is it, 480, well, wherever it closed today, above 480.
We've had this discussion before. I know the stock price on an absolute level is high relative to where it's been. On a valuation basis, the stock is actually very cheap. It's actually quite a bit cheaper than it has been in a long time. And some of these other names, it's even, you could argue it's even cheaper than some of these other ones like AMD. And for a demand environment that's probably more certain, like AMD actually gave us some numbers already for what they expected for their AI sales next year. Maybe this puts it in some context. They said that their product next year is called the MI300. And they said they thought they would do, in excess of $2 billion in sales next year. I would say if Nvidia does $50 billion in data center sales next year, that will be viewed as incredibly disappointing. Right? They're going to do more than that. AMD is going to do too. I mean, it's single-digit percentage probably of what Nvidia is likely to deliver. That's what I mean when I say they are the pack.
Okay, right? So if I dig into that a little bit further with you, Stacy, I mean, to your point, Nvidia's up 230% plus since the start of this year. AMD sold off today, down 1.5%, presumably on this news. I mean, that stock's up a paltry 80% as well. I mean, at these levels, do you still invest in Nvidia? Is it still compelling, or do you put your money to work in something like AMD or Intel or another chip name that you cover?
I'll be honest. So, like in Nvidia, I do like, and again, you mentioned the stock's up, whatever it is, 2 or 3x. Earnings are probably up 4 or 5x, though. So again, the stock's actually gotten cheaper as it has gone up. Everybody with Nvidia, what they're worried about is that the numbers are getting so big so quickly. You just worry about sustainability. You worry about an air pocket coming. And again, I get it. We've seen these air pockets with Nvidia in the past around crypto and everything else. And I always say the chances of them hitting something like that at some point in the future, it's probably 100%. We've seen them before. We'll see them again. Now, that being said, I still think the AI opportunity is massive. I still think we're really early. I'm convinced in 5 years, in 10 years, we will be talking about numbers that are materially higher than what we are talking about today. So with Nvidia, like as always, I think you need a strong stomach. That stock has its ups and its downs, but I still think we're really early. I think the opportunity is massive. I think they're in the driver's seat. I think you have to own it.